Hello, welcome to ADIRE ABODE, and if you are new here, welcome. Today in this video I'll be showing you how to make the head wrap style of a satin bonnet. It's going to be reversible. That is the reason why I'm going to make use of these two fabrics, and it's going to be 4-in-1. That is, you can tie it in 4 different ways. I'll be using a textile here. This is an African print and it's called ADIRE in the Yoruba land, and here is a satin material. I already cut out the material which I'm going to be using, and the measurement which I used to cut it out is 21 inches by 21 inches. That is, the height is 21 inches, the same as the width here. Width also is 21 inches. 21 inches. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to fold this cut out material into 4, this way first and this way, and now I'm going to be measuring out the radius of the circle because I'm trying to cut out the circle, that is the shape of the satin bonnet. After folding the material into 4, I'll be taking my radius at this point of the fold, that is at the place where I folded. So I'll be making use of 10 inches as the radius. I'm making use of 10 inches because I don't want it to be too big. I just want it to be fitted. But if you want it to be big for a large amount of air to be able to go inside, you can make use of between 10 to 12 inches. But I'll be making use of 10 inches here all around this way. Take it round to the end of the fabric. So next thing I'm going to do is to cut it out. Cut outside the line in case you need to trim after cutting it all out. I have my circle perfectly cut out. The next thing for me to do is to use this circle, just the shape, to cut out my satin material. So also cut out the same shape. Here's what it looks like after I cut it out. So I'll be giving it a good press now before I go to the next step. I've given the material a good press. So the next thing for me to do now is to join the materials all around. But firstly, I'll be making sure the materials are facing each other right side to right side. That is, the right side of the cloth is also facing the right side of the material this way. So the next thing that I'll do now is to join my material by 1/2 inch all around this way. But we also have to leave 2 inches open here to be able to turn the materials to the right side when we are done sewing. So I'll just go to my machine now and do that now. Close to the right side. The next thing I want to do is to put the elastic band inside, but firstly we have to create a casing for it, and the width of my elastic band I intend to use is 1 inch. So therefore I have to create a casing that is more than that for there to be enough space for it. I'll make my casing to be around 1.5 inches. So I'll just make the mark around it first, so to be very easy to join on the machine. 1.5. I'll just take it to my machine now and just sew around the mark I've made on the clothes. So after that, my casing is going to be ready, and I'll just insert my elastic. I already have my casing sewn all around. I hope you can see it. The next thing I want to do now is to pass my elastic band all through. So how do I get to know the measurement of my elastic band? The width of my elastic band is 1 inch. 1 inch is the width of my elastic band, and I got the length that I needed by measuring the circumference of my head. And when I measured it, it gave me 22 inches. So I cut my elastic band to be 22 inches. Here it is, my elastic band 22 inches. So 1 inch by 22 inches. The next thing I'm going to do now is to pass it through the casing this way. I'm going to use office pin. Just put it in an office pin this way, and I'll take it through this open. At this point, what I'm going to do is to stitch the two ends of the elastic band together, then take it all in. So they have stitched it together, and then I'll just take it in. I'll go to the point where I passed my elastic band through and close the opening up. You can make use of hand stitching or your machine. This is the stage where I cut the material for the belt and ironed it. The process of me cutting and ironing. You get the measurements in a few seconds. And if you've watched this video to this point and you've not liked this video, go ahead and click on the like button and like this video and subscribe to my channel to get related content, and also click on the notification bell for you to get notified when a new video is up. We've come to the stage of measuring the belt. So here's my belt, and then the full length is 100 inches, but because I'm measuring it on fold, that's going to give me 50 inches because it's on fold, but the full length is 100 inches, and the width is 9 inches, while on fold is going to give me 4.5 inches. And this measurement is including the sewing allowance. The 100 inches and the 9 inches have included the allowance for sewing. So by the time I fold it this way, it's going to give me 4.5, and I intend to make use of 1 inch sewing allowance. So the actual belt is going to be 3.5 inches. The width of the actual belt is going to be 3.5 inches. And so after this, I'll just go to my machine now and join. it. Here's my clothes unfold, and you can see that the edge here is straight, which I don't want it to be that way. So I'll just like curve it here. I'll just make a diagonal line here this way and cut it out. And I'll repeat it to the other end also. The next thing I'm going to do now is to join this on the wrong side, that is the right side facing right side, while I join it on the wrong side. So I'll just take it in by 1 inch, as I've said earlier, 1 inch this way, all through the fabric. So once I get here, somewhere in the middle, I'll just leave about 2 inches, which I'll use to turn the cloth to the right side. This way my satin bonnet is ready to wear. You can wear it as a sleeve cap, as a separate piece, and you can wear it as a satin bonnet head wrap. So you can also decide to join the two pieces together, either by stitching it. That way you just take the middle of the belt and attach it to the sleeve cap. That way you can wear it as one piece and you can use it to spice up your outfit. And you can also decide to use a snap button or a velcro to attach it as one piece. Do make sure you check out the links in the description box below, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share this video to your friends, roommates, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.